Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe. Maybe excited for my class, so I'm here to teach you Standard 3 English course and the chapter 7. Chapter name is Today I Ate. So before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and you can give your quality time in your study. You can enjoy the time with your families like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your homework which you received on online classes. You can complete your holiday homework also, project also. Once the school will open, I just want all the homework in course and SST also. So please complete it. You have a lots of time, then please use the time, do not waste it. Once the school will open, I just want all the homework. I have all the records, I have written everything. So it's better that you should complete your all homework on time. Please be at home, stay at home, do not go outside, do not interact with other person. So I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that you will be safe from the COVID-19. Please follow all the guidelines which government has told to follow so that we will be safe, and please use all the precautions and then we will be safe from the COVID-19. And please do not interact with other person. Stay at home, be happy. So I'm just going to explain you the chapter, and after finishing the chapter I will give you a few words so that you can find out the meaning and you can write down it in your fair copy. So I'm just going to read. If you don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. Now many of us don't understand what it is like to go without food, but it is a serious problem in the world today. Exactly, this is the chapter about the food, that where the poor people and the scarcity of food, that now we don't understand that without food, how we will see without food. But in this chapter we will see that and in India also right now, world also today, there is a very big problem. It's a serious problem of foods, that is scarcity and poverty is there. So in this chapter we will see today I ate a special biscuit, a bowl of broth and 2 cups of water, and yesterday I had nothing. So here is it is a story that he's just saying that today we ate a special biscuit. It is special biscuits like a bowl of soup. So in bowl there is a soup and there is 2 cup of water. But yesterday, the day before yesterday, we don't have nothing to eat. So the food is also very important for our life. Without food we can't survive, like water and air. So food is also important. So most of us are lucky we get food every day. Exactly, we are so lucky and that we get food every day. Over half the people in the world are not so lucky. But in these half of the people in this world, they are not so lucky. Why? Because they do not get, in fact, not any one time of meal also. So some of lucky and some of unlucky that with the food. Many people have to go several days without any food. So yes, if any poor people is there, then they just go their work without any food, because there is no money, no food is there. So they just have several days without any food. Their bodies use up the fat and they become thin. So the body who do not eat the foods, if they have a fat body, then if they do not take the food, then after sometimes it transforms into thin body. They feel weak and tired if they don't get any food in any time food. Then they just feel tired and weak. Many people cannot earn money to buy food and are too weak or ill to grow it themselves. So in fact, in this world also, it's a very big serious problem that many people, they cannot earn money to buy the food, because they have some problems and they cannot earn money to buy foods. In fact, so that's why they just become very weak and ill. So that's why they should not grow properly themselves also. Some problems it increases in their body because they not get the proper food. So for growing our body's structure, we should eat a healthy food. In science also you have learned that there are protective foods, many food types of food is there, bodybuilding foods, protective foods. So these all helps, if we can eat these all, it can helps our body parts to grow in a proper manner. So if we cannot eat we cannot eat food, then of course we will become ill person and ill, or we will weak, and we should not grow, and we should take a problem to grow. So many factors are responsible for scanty production of food, which leaves poor hungry. So in these, many peoples are the responsible for all the small amount production of food, which they, for the people, they are hungry. Environmental factors are one of the main causes of food scarcity. So the environmental structure, it is the first of all, it is the first main causes of food, which is scarcity, shortage of food. The environmental, it is the first factor, it is the main of there is a shortage of food of the poor people in this world. Droughts and increase in rainfall due to global warming result in low productivity of land. So drought is what, a situation where is dryness, there is no rainfall, and due to the global warming, the effect of the warm in the whole world, it is what it can reduce a growth of land. If there is no water is there and the land it becomes dry, then here what we can grow a low growth of land. So not the world is responsible, only people are the responsible, that with the people they not get the good food, and they just with the global warming there is scarcity of water, scarcity of food, shortage of food. So not the environment are the responsible, in fact the people of the world, they just responsible for these all things. In some developing countries, the farmers are depends on rains, rivers for water. So for growing the crops, for growing the foods, if farmer is there in developing countries, some developing countries is there like India, the farmers is what, they also totally depends on the rain, because without rain, without water, we cannot grow any crops. So they just totally depends on the rains and rivers for water. So after, if they can get the water, then they can just grow the seeds, and then we can get the food. So of course in fact the farmer also, they can depends on the nature, on the water, rainwater, so that they can grow crops. Due to global warming, rivers are drying up and there is less water. So due to the global warming, the effect of warm in the whole world, so due to global warming, the river's water, it also becomes dry, and there is a less rainfall. So that's why there is a scarcity of water and scarcity of land, scarcity of food. So these leads to low productivity. So there what it can leads a very low growth, low productivity, low growth of the people. Poverty is another major factor of hunger and malnutrition. Poverty, it is also the state of being poor, like people is there, and it is also one of the major factor of hungry people and for malnutrition. Malnutrition means what? The bad health that is the result of not having enough food and enough of the right kind of food. Malnutrition means what? They should not get proper food so that their body should grow properly. So poverty is also the another major factors of the people of the hunger and the malnutrition, where the people should not get a proper food and should not grow properly, and there is a health issue. Since people do not have enough money to buy food for themselves, they grow more weak and tired. So in many world of the countries, the people is what they do not have enough money so that they can go in stores and they can buy the foods for themselves. So that's why day by day they just become a very weak and tired person. Now then, this is interesting story about the world, the scarcity of the people, that there is no water and food is there. About the next that we will see in the lecture number 2, and I will give you the few words in lecture number 2. So do not skip the video. Please watch it till last, and then I will give you the words so that you can find out the meaning from dictionary. Till that, take care of yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.